Let's take a look at Winning Solutions Inc.'s Therapist Appointment Database template. If you are a therapist or work for a therapist, this template would be perfect for keeping track of appointments. If you watch this demonstration and you really like the template, but you own or work for a different type of company, feel free to contact WSI. We can customize database templates to make them compatible with any type of company that you own or run. We'll get started by adding a new patient. We're just going to make one up. Mrs. Ann Smith. We'll input an email. There is a lot of information that can be filled in. We will add just enough to give an idea of how things work. We'll put in a phone number. You can add addresses, notes about the customer, even a picture of the customer. We can also add call history, appointment history, and payment history. We'll call this good enough and save and close. Now that we have someone to search for, let's see how that works. We'll search by last name, Smith. Select Search, and there's the customer we just created. We can double-click on this record to view or edit the record. Go ahead and close out of this. Let's set an appointment for our new customer. View the calendar. This is the daily view. We can also see the calendar in monthly, bi-weekly, and weekly views. We'll go to the daily view. We want our appointment to start at 8 a.m., so double-click on that time slot. This appointment is for Ann Smith. The information you see in these drop-downs is just here for our demonstration. It can all be changed to meet your needs. We'll use Person 1 as the therapist. For type, use Individual, and because this was set as a price of $60, it changes the invoice to reflect this. For location, Location 1. This was already set to 8 a.m. because that's where we double-clicked, but we will change the end time to 9 a.m. You can have more than one employee assigned to the appointment. Let's add Person 2 and Person 3. You can also add payment methods. The last thing we will do for this appointment is add a custom color. Let's make it orange. Selecting OK changes this orange, and it will also show on your calendar in orange. The color helps a lot with organization. If you have multiple appointments on the same day, different colors can be selected for each, so you can see at a glance when each appointment begins and ends. Let's see what that looks like in the monthly view. There it is. Close out of this. You can also search for your appointment by specific day, location, start date, and end date. Let's search by location 1. There's the appointment we created. Follow the link in the video description below to download a demonstration version of this template to try out or to purchase the full version. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by WSI. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe or like our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs. I'm going to post our contact information in the description below this video. You can also find us on LinkedIn, X, and Facebook. Please follow or like us, we post quite frequently. Thanks again. Have a great day.